Sandra rolls 2 fair dice. What is the probability of both dice showing a different number? So this may seem like a fairly simple question, but it's very easy to get this wrong. The easiest way to do it is by drawing a sample space. Now, we're not going to be timesing these numbers together, we're just going to be looking to see what the result of the dice is. So 2 fair dice, that means there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that's the first dice. And then the second dice, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Doesn't have to look beautiful, as long as we get the right answer. Right, so now I'm going to start filling this in. I'm going to change colour to do that. So the outcome here would be 1, 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3. So you can see we're not timesing the numbers, we're not adding the numbers, we're just listing what the outcome is. 1 and 4, 1 and 5, 1 and 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, Okay, so I've filled it all in. What is the probability of both dice showing a different number? So let's highlight all the ones where they're different numbers. So 1, 1, they're the same number, so it's not going to be that one. So let's just highlight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 1. I'm not going to highlight 2, 2, so I can highlight the rest. I'm not going to highlight 3, 3. I'm not going to highlight 4, 4. And I'm not going to highlight 5, 5. And I'm not going to highlight 6, 6. And let's just count how many we had. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So that's 30 out of a possible total of 36 boxes altogether, because it's 6 times 6. They may want that simplified, so just in case, it would be divide by 6 on both sides, on the top and bottom, and I get 5 over 6.